Today we're unboxing the limited edition Intel Arc B580 graphics card. But first, take a look at this box. The presentation is top-notch. Looks very nice indeed. There's a logo on this side as well. So I assume that to open it up, we need to tear this seal first. Feels like I'm unboxing an Apple product with that seal. It doesn't appear to be coming out. Oh, there we go. The inner packaging looks nice as well. I wonder what kind of accessories we get with it. Oh, look at this presentation. It is lovely. So, as you open the box, it actually lifts up the part that contains the graphics card. Nice touch. There's a cloth material on top of the GPU. Let's unravel it. Look at that. This is a beautiful graphics card. I wonder what is the proper way to actually get it out of there. I don't think I did the right thing there. But yeah, it's impressive. Plastic shroud. But this material is high quality. It feels high quality. This feels very similar to the rubberized material you get on some sort of, I don't know, maybe a phone case, something like that. That actually adds a premium feel to it. This part is metal and this is plastic. And the backplate is also metal. Oh my god, my fingerprints. Let's use this cloth to wipe it off. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. A large ventilation cutout on the back of the card. Short PCB. 8-pin power connector. Intel Arc logo. Let's put this to the side for now and take a look what else we get in the box. Oh, there's also cloth material on the bottom. Let's check out this stuff. What do we get here? Okay, there's more things. I think this is it. What is this? Quick start guide. I think we need to scan this QR code for the actual guide. And what is this? Intel. Oh, it's that thing. I've seen it in other unboxings. It's like a paper cutout of a graphics card, and you put it in this stand. Yeah, you see? That's the PCIe slot. That's the graphics card. Some stickers. 3M adhesive tape for the stand. Yeah, that's pretty cool. There's more inside, but I don't know. Should I open it? Oh, there we go. It goes like this. I'm not gonna be doing this right now. I want to keep this intact, but you can see how you can kind of fold it into a GPU looking thing. and then display it somewhere. This serves as the heatsink substitute in this paper copy of the GPU. In terms of display connections, we get one. Hold on. Oh, it's quite tough. 2, 3, 4. 4 display connections in total. That's 3 display ports and 1 HDMI. Fins on the heatsink are matte black. That is a nice touch. Let's open up the PCIe slot. Take a look at that. The card is fairly compact. The length is 274 millimeters, I believe. Yeah, looks like 74. And it is not tall. So this is perfect for a compact PC build. Interesting choice. They didn't put an Intel logo or ART logo on the fans. But I respect it. If you're gonna mount this vertically, this GPU will look beautiful. But I'm also loving the way the backplate looks. Overall, this is a good-looking GPU. In terms of cooling, we got 2 fans, and they are not quite 90 millimeters, they are 88 millimeters from what I can see. And the card takes up 2 slots. I'll be testing performance of this graphics card at various resolutions, 4K, 1440p, ultra-wide, 1080p. If you want to see that, follow the link in the description below. Here's what the B580 looks like when installed into the PC. I think it fits in quite nicely, even into this build. Take a look at that Intel Arc logo. Subtle and tasteful. I like it. And if you enjoyed this unboxing, then don't forget to reward my work with a like. Let me know in the comments below what do you think about this GPU, and subscribe for more if you haven't already. It was I, Vadim. Until next time.